welcome to AnniebunZ. I'm going to tell you a bit about myself and what I'm going to be doing on the channel. My name is Annie and AnniebunZ is my business. I technically started baking when I was about 3 years old with my grandma. Unfortunately, she passed away when I was 7 years old. So I lost a lot of knowledge after that, but I started building it up as I got older. I had a bit of a crash course in cake decorating with a friend of mine. From there, I've been self-taught. My mother is a chef. She taught me a lot about cooking, and I have created some very weird recipes from there. So what I'm going to be doing on this channel is I'm going to bake and I'm going to cook, teach you some of my recipes, and I'm going to show you some cake decorating stuff that I've taught myself. I am no expert whatsoever. I am completely just me, just how I do things. I do things my way. And everything that I've made so far is very nice. My boyfriend especially loves all the cooking that I make and the baking. So I'm definitely doing something right. Very excited about this channel. I can't wait to build it, and I'm hoping that I will get some likes and subscribers and some comments. I'm just going to take random recipes, anything that you like, anything you want me to try. I'm just going to make them and see how they come out. Everything I do, the camera work, the editing, the uploading, everything I'm doing myself. I have no sponsors, I have no editor. It's just me. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you'll see me soon. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a lovely day.